welcome to E-Prime this evening. It's New Music Friday, and Tommy Lee Sparta is on fire. Top producer Rvssian taps newly released DJ Tommy Lee Sparta and the hottest dancehall sensation Valiant for his latest project Tic Tac Toe. Dancehall fans were excited as leading up to the video and track release, Rvssian on Tuesday released a picture of the three in matching jerseys with printed names taken from the video shoot. The video followed on Thursday across the three artists' pages and in the first hour landed a combined 20,000 views, which has skyrocketed in 24 hours. The fun-sounding track sees Rvssian himself on vocals with the two heavyweights.
She send me tea white like Tic Tac. Every killer with me bongo. Nobody can cross me no tic-tac-toe. Nobody can cross me no tic-tac-toe.
Tic Tac Toe is produced by Rvssian's Head Concussion Records and distributed by 21st Happiness. Speaking of new music, the Dance King is back with a brand new banger. Ding Dong, Crazy Crazy, produced by Rvssian Entertainment, is already a viral sensation since it was released last week. The summer song is one of gimmicks and, of course, dancing.
Right now me crazy, 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 crazy. Me crazy, crazy, crazy. Overload them crazy. Overload scankers crazy.
Ding Dong has seen massive success with his viral hit Bones, which is a TikTok favorite, reaching almost 10 million views on his official YouTube page. Now, Alkaline is in album mode. The artist over the past few weeks has been rapidly releasing new singles. Fans have been treated to Grip, All About, and this week, Boss.
Hey, boss for every boss, gun for every done. Ever militant, so it and so it and.
Alkaline is currently working on his third studio album. No title or date has been announced. In 2021, he released his sophomore LP Top Prize. Can't wait for more music. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Deidre, and enjoy your Easter weekend, and of course, be safe. See you next week.